Today, Sara and Curry Diskaya have hurled reckless and shameless and malicious accusations that I, along with other legislators, supposedly received some of money from them in connection with DPWH projects. Make this crystal clear. These are outright lies and baseless accusations. This fabrication have no basis in fact and no place in public discourse. I have never spoken to them, nor have I ever authorized or allowed any representative to deal with them. Panahon pa lang ng pagputok ng issue ng flood control na ipaliwanag na ng representasyong na ito sa isang committee hearing sa Metro Manila Development ng DPWH nang nag-e-elect ng project. Ituloy natin ang susunod na kabanata. Ang pag-a-advertise ng project sa PhilJeps, ang nagsaset ng date ng bidding. Ang bidding itself, ang pagbabayad sa mga kontraktor, ay lahat nasa DPWH. I do not have any hand in any of the process. I will also file a libel case against the Diskaya, and I will never be intimidated nor silenced by malicious attack. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.